TrendMD started a couple years ago, back in May of 2014. Prior to that, I was working as a doctor. I was in residency. For me, back in medicine, two struggles that I identified was, number one, finding content that you're looking for. I mean, at the end of the day, doctors make decisions based on the research articles and content that they read. But it's really hard to do that because there's over 8,000 articles that are produced every 24 hours. So how do you find what you're looking for? How do you find that so-called needle in the haystack? But on the flip side is that when you are a researcher yourself and you produce content, the question is, how do you get that research out into other people who can read it? And what TrendMD is all about is helping to connect readers of content, like researchers and doctors, with the producers of content, like publishers and pharmaceutical companies and authors.
So UTest is an incubator at U of T. We help early stage technology companies get started and get launched out of the school. And we provide them a little bit of capital, some space, a lot of mentorship, and a lot of support to get them going on along the way.
OCE, like UTest, have been instrumental to our growth. We started off with OCE Smart Start, which was a grant.
Right now, they have reached over 85 million visitors, over 3,000 journals and medical websites, but I feel that this is just the tip of the iceberg.
Commercializing research, bringing those ideas from your bench or wherever it comes up to the world and marketing it, and that's what TrendMD is. That's what I've brought forward, and that still remains the pinnacle of our culture, where TrendMD still does research.
Not only is he very intelligent, but he's also very humble and confident at the same time, and he is very passionate about helping researchers and publishers solve their problem for the broader research and scientific community.
I have very high expectations of what I think the company is going to accomplish. I think Paul has a real opportunity to build a strong, meaningful, and sustainable, financially prosperous enterprise in Ontario.